You ever feel weird talking to a camera?
Yep.
This will be one of the mini outtakes, I guess. So, unboxing video of the 511 Designz grill guard for the John Deere 2025. This is, I don't like this. 2025R. It's a 2023 model that I have working on. The nuts and bolts are really nice. Good quality, has a sticker in here. Went with the green one. For the front one, I went with the powder coated, the textured one, just to do something different. Packaging's great, almost overkill. Looks to be well made. The only thing I'm not really sure about is this right here. Looks like it added a lot to the product itself. Just not sure about the big numbers standing out. Yeah, it came packaged nice. Waiting on the front part. And maybe the next you see is the stuff on the tractor. That's it for now.